Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with another question of trigonometry, that is 4 cot 45 degrees plus sine square 30 degrees minus sec square 60 degrees. We know that from trigonometric table, cot of 45 that is equal to 1, sec 60 degrees that is equal to 2, and sine of 30 degrees that is equal to 1 by 2. Here we have given equation 4 into cot 45 degrees plus sine square 30 degrees minus sec square 60 degrees. Here I have substituted the value, that is cot 45's value is 1, so 4 into 1 plus 1 by 2 square, that is the value of sine square 30, as sine of 30 is equal to 1 by 2, and square of that will give us sine square 30 degrees, and minus of 2 square, that is sec 60 is equal to 2 as given, and and square of that will give us sec square 60 degrees. Now further substituting, we have 4 4 ones are 4 plus 1 by 2 square, that will give us 1 by 4, and subtracting by 2 square, that is 4. Now we'll cross multiply, or we can just cancel it from here only, but I have cross multiplied and we have cancelled this 16 by 4, and we have finally got the value 1 upon 4. So our final answer is cot 45 degrees plus sine square 30 degrees minus sec square 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 4. Hence this is the solution of the given question. For more theoretical information about this trigonometric table, please go watch my video of trigonometry lecture from my channel Study with me. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.